Hi everyone, I'm Yan and welcome to my table. Today a quick recipe for a fresh chili sauce that's spicy, pungent, and really addictive. Once you have it in your fridge, you'll want to put on everything. The recipe cannot be simpler. You'll need red and green chilies, garlic and ginger. That's it. I use both red and green chilies because not only do they look beautiful together, it's also for the taste. The long green chilies used here are milder and has a stronger vegetable flavor, whereas the red Thai chilies are way more spicy and fiery. For that reason, the ratio of green to red chilies is 2 to 1. And to avoid touching the cut chilies and risk irritating my hands, I use scissors to cut them directly into the food processor. If you're chopping by hand, be sure to wear gloves or even a mask to protect your senses against the pungent chili fumes. Chop the garlic and ginger the same way you chop the chilies. And put them together in a bowl. Mix it up well. Next, heat up some oil on the stove until it smokes. Then confidently pour it over the chopped ginger, garlic, and chilies. Try to pour it a little bit at a time in different spots so the ingredients will be touched by the hot oil evenly. Mix it up and season with generous amounts of salt. Adjust to your taste, of course, but for this amount of ingredients, I needed at least a couple of teaspoons of sea salt. As this is used as a condiment, you need the saltiness to counter the spiciness. As well, the salt helps to preserve the sauce. Finally, a touch of Chinese black vinegar to balance out the spiciness. And a completely optional ingredient that will definitely enhance this simple sauce is MSG. So add some if you choose. And that's it. Spoon it into airtight jars and they'll last in the fridge for a couple of weeks. For more ideas of how to use this sauce, please visit my blog at yansfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.